What's good, YouTube? Terry here, back at you with GoodVibes Van. Today, in the mood of Christmas spirit, we're gonna be making some fudge. Haven't never made fudge before. Found this lady on YouTube, Miss Tammy Dunn, I believe it is, and came across this recipe with using frosting. Of course, I'm using buttercream frosting and peanut butter, 16 ounces of each. Of course, here in van life, things are a little bit different. You're supposed to put them in the microwave for a minute apiece. However, I don't have a microwave. So, what we do have a diesel heater. So, as you can see here, we're heating them up. They're just about ready. Takes a short amount of time, just like with anything. But that diesel heater works tremendously. So I'm about to get this set up. I'll be right back with you, and we're gonna make this fudge together, you guys. Stick around.
It'll never start without you, never start without you. Christmas is all about you. I see everywhere around the fairies of December. I see everywhere around the fairies of December. Can you feel the joy when Santa Claus comes to town? Santa Claus has come to town. Have you wrote your lists?
Well, sometimes you gotta be smarter than what you're working with, I guess. I sure wasn't figuring that one out. Gotta smell everything. This here is some good buttercream frosting. Alright, something tells me I better let that heat up a little bit more. Back at you. Alright. Now we got it all heated up. Woo. We got good stuff. In van life, you got to make do with, so we use a pot a lot for everything. Gotta smell everything. Woo. Ain't nothing better than making good fudge. Cold outside, snow is coming in here in a little while. Thought earlier I was making no-bake cookies, and as it turns out, I wasn't recording the entire time. So as you see here, I'm just gonna mix this together. It smells fantastic. I already got 2 containers here lined with parchment paper. All right. problem with being left-handed. You always turn the pot bottoms to everybody and you can't see. You guys let me know what you think down in the comments if you tried this before. From my understanding is it sets up in about 2 hours. And it's like good gift shop fudge. Rich, perfect for a gift. Or in our case, perfect for the sweet treat. Not exactly sure if I'm doing it right, but that's the way it's gonna be. I think maybe it should have been just a smidge bit hotter. Don't look too bad. A whole lot better than that one. It's all right though. You live, you learn. Figure as long as you put God first, it don't matter, everything's right. All right. There we have it, no bake fudge.
See in van life, when your fridge is full and you need a freezer, just go out and stick it in the snow.
All right, folks. Here's how the fudge turned out, buried in snow. Oh, that's delicious. Turned out pretty good too. Like good, rich gift shop fudge. You can't beat it.
Official taste testing. The fudge. That tastes like real legit fudge. Super, super good. Smells so good. Great job. Delicious. Love it.
Well, there you have it. It's the official review. Brandy got to try it. We got a whole bunch left. She's gonna actually take some to work with her tomorrow, turn into the guys, let them try it at work. Thanks for joining us today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, check out our merchandise over at redbubble.com.
Happy holidays, everyone. Have a great and blessed day.
All right, guys, be classy, be good, always be yourself, be unique. Have a good evening, guys.